Hey everyone, Ross Dannenberg here from the Patrium workshop. I am the creator and developer of Patrium, and I've got a lot of questions about, how do you get started with Patrium once you get a hotspot? So I thought I'd do a quick video to sort of show you, okay, what's the basic routine for getting started and how Patrium works. So let's go ahead and create a new account. Let's register. Then we go ross@patrium.app. And we'll do a password. And hopefully it takes that. The rest of this stuff is optional. You need to click this. You can barely click it. Yeah, I'm working on that with the developer. That's a defect in the underlying software. And when you hit register, sorry, it wasn't 10, 12 characters. All right, let's try that again. Okay, had to do the math in my head there. All right, I think I got it this time. So let's register and boom. Yeah, we're in. Yeah, let's add that. Why not? So let's see. Yes, you just click through this. You have to read it, understand that this is a development system. So everything's still testing and things are subject to change. Once you agree, you can go in. All right, so now the first time you log in, it's going to throw you right into the setup process. So right now, if you have an active hotspot, which hopefully you do if you're using Patrium, then, well, I don't know why it says, are you sure? We'll have to get rid of that confirmation, but yes, I'm sure I own some. So let's see what my hotspot name is. I already forgot what my hotspot name is. Let's see, Shambolic Cinnabar Weasel. So let's do, and keep, you have to enter this in all lowercase separated by hyphens. So let's see, Shambolic Cinnabar Weasel. Did I spell that right? I think so. So now Patrium is going out and updating its list of hotspots on the blockchain, because I actually just activated this about 10 minutes ago. So we'll see if it's behaving as expected. So it's updating the Patrium master hotspot table. It keeps the copy of all the basic information. Yep, so it found it. And so now they have everything they need. And Patrium is off and running. Now it's going to sit at this screen for a while, and I am working to fix that, but you really need to let it finish out this process. And then once it gets up and running, you're going to come to this screen. This is the home screen where you're going to see all the basic information. This is a brand new hotspot. So it doesn't have any history associated with it. So you're not going to see anything. And if I come over here to the status screen, so you can see it has nothing. This is a brand new hotspot. But that's how you get started. And this is what your screen should look like. If you have lots of hotspots on your account, it can take up to 10 minutes per hotspot for them to appear. So it might take 24 hours. For your account to fully populate. You guys can blame HIP13 for that, because I have to check for HIP13 transfer transactions, which is a very tedious process on the blockchain right now, having to parse every single transaction associated with a hotspot back to its start date. But since this hotspot is brand new, it didn't have to go very far back, and it was able to do that very quickly. So that's it for getting started. You can click through here and check out the different, play around with the different tabs. The My H&R is host and referral earnings. Is if your wallet address is listed as the referral for somebody else's hotspots, then they'll automatically show up here. But that is the basics, and I'll do another video to show you how to get set up with your hosts. All right, thanks for watching.